Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see two older men and two children working in a garden. One of the men is watering plants and the other is planting something with a small shovel. The children are also involved. One is helping with the planting and the other looks happy and excited. They seem to be enjoying their time together in a beautiful garden with lots of greenery and flowers.
Wonderful! You've made some great observations. Can you describe what might happen next for this group?
I think they might continue working in the garden, planting more flowers and vegetables. After that, they might take a break and have some snacks or drinks while enjoying the view of their hard work. The children might learn more about gardening from the older men who seem to be very knowledgeable.
Excellent! You used some good vocabulary there. Let's go over a few words. You mentioned watering plants, planting, and shovel. Can you think of other words related to gardening?
Yes, we could also use words like soil, seeds, sprout, blossom, fertilizer, trowel, and greenhouse.
Very good. Now, let's look at some phrasal verbs. You talked about watering plants and taking a break. Can you think of more phrasal verbs related to gardening or spending time outdoors?
We could use dig up, plant out, grow up, take care of, put in, pull out, and tidy up.
Perfect. Let's use some of these in sentences. Dig up means to remove something from the ground. Can you make a sentence with it?
Sure, they dug up the old plants to make space for new ones.
Great! Now, plant out means to move a plant from a pot to the ground. Can you use it in a sentence?
After the seeds sprouted, they planted them out in the garden.
Excellent! How about take care of? It means to look after something. Can you use it in a sentence?
The children promised to take care of the garden every day.
Fantastic! Now, let's try put in. It means to plant something in the soil. Can you use it in a sentence?
They put in new flowers to add more color to the garden.
Well done! Now, let's think about what else they might be doing in the garden. Can you describe another possibility?
They might be preparing a vegetable patch. The older men could be teaching the children how to grow their own food, explaining which vegetables are best to plant in different seasons.
Great idea! That's a very educational activity. What kind of vegetables do you think they might grow?
They could grow tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, and maybe even some herbs like basil and parsley. These are easy for beginners to grow and very useful in the kitchen.
Excellent choices! Can you use grow up in a sentence related to gardening?
The children watched the plants grow up quickly over the summer.
Perfect! Now let's use pull out. It means to remove something by pulling. Can you make a sentence with it?
They pulled out the weeds to keep the garden neat and healthy.
Very good. Let's try tidy up. It means to clean or organize. Can you use it in a sentence?
After finishing their work, they tidied up the garden and put away the tools.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.